Do you ever wonder where you fall on the spectrum between those with a wealthy mindset and those with a poor mindset? When it comes to earning innumerable triumphs in different facets of your life, whether it be in your work or relationships, there are two types of individuals in the world: successful and not so successful. Among the other factors, one significant one stands out the most, and that is their thinking. We are aware of the mind's power. It is a medium that allows people from all walks of life to do things that might seem unattainable to others, and that elevates them to new heights, so they can enjoy the finest that life has to offer. But before we get into that, I just want to say a quick hi and welcome you guys to Blue Collar Investing, personal finance and investing for the average Joe. Discover the path to success in the world of finance and learn how you're gonna make it even with your own 9-to-5 job. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up before we proceed to the video. The very first difference between the rich versus poor mindset is that the rich make money work for them, while poor people work for money. Every wealthy person is aware that working for an hourly wage makes it impossible to make a good living. Therefore, they develop more effective means of increasing their income. Everyone in the world has the same amount of hours in a day, but the wealthy, they know how to make the most of their time by engaging in activities and spending time with people who can enhance their entire lifestyle and assure their financial success. While the impoverished settle for minimal pay jobs and devote their time and skills to others' achievement, the rich profit from the labor of others and invest in passive income sources, all for a meager salary. Now, number 2. The rich always know how to invest their hard-earned money so their money can make more money, while the poor put their earnings into savings accounts, where they will make virtually nothing. The way that the wealthy see danger is a key factor in defining them from the poor. Rich people invest with the expectation that they will be rewarded and succeed. Additionally, they take great care to make sure that every aspect of the risk they take is taken into account. Additionally, they are aware that diversifying their investments is also a good idea. So instead of panicking and selling when others believe the market is about to fall, they choose to buy more companies and shares while prices are low. Now, the majority of the poor, on the other hand, are those who refuse to take any risk at all to increase their financial security. They think they're doing themselves a favor when they put their money in savings accounts because they feel it will be safer and grow larger. But in reality, the opposite is true because banks' yields are below inflation, so they're actually losing money rather than growing it. Number 3. Rich people learn continuously, while poor people don't. Do you still recall the last time you made the decision to settle down, pick up a book, and begin learning something new? Because they don't push themselves to learn new things, people in poverty are less likely to seize new possibilities. They might have increased their income as a result of that. The wealthy, on the other hand, always set aside time in their day to learn and study something new. Learning helps them better understand various financial concepts and identify fresh opportunities. They don't squander their time, though, reading publications that don't advance their knowledge or offer practical suggestions for enhancing both their daily financial condition and themselves. Now, number 4. Rich people take time in making decisions, while poor people make the most impulsive ones. The wealthy have superior decision-making abilities in making aspects of life because they understand the need of carefully considering all options before making a final decision on their finances. They consider all potential benefits of their activities before taking any action, which allows them the chance to identify potential risks and aid in problem solving when they find themselves in risky financial situations. But impulsive choices are frequently made by the poor. They make these financial decisions in a hurry without analyzing the benefits and drawbacks, so they don't have answers ready in case their choices don't work out in the end. Additionally, poor people often damage themselves by investing in enterprises because they are easily swayed by those who are not really offering them any advice accordingly. Now, the fifth difference that we can spot between the mindset of the rich and the poor is that rich people are always planning for the future, while the poor don't create any plans for the future. The wealthy are aware that success does not come easily. To build a strong financial foundation, it will take many years and a lot of sweat, blood, and tears. They are meticulous in their money management and always have long-term objectives and strategies. Making sacrifices now in order to live a more comfortable financial lifestyle later on is highly valued by them. The impoverished tend to be content and live in the moment without giving any thought to making specific plans or aiming for specific outcomes in the future. They only work towards objectives that they believe they can't quickly accomplish without having to navigate obstacles like risks and setbacks. Now, number 6. Rich people never settle, while the poor choose to stay in their comfort zone. Since it is not in the nature of the wealthy to remain in their comfort zones, they make it a practice of being open to new challenges and more effective ideas that will help them develop and have a wider perspective on the world, giving them greater advantages later in life. The wealthy flaunt their bravery by overcoming obstacles and being willing to fail. Now, the 7th and last difference in the rich mindset versus the poor mindset is that rich people know the value of relationships, while poor people create unstable ones. Rich people are aware that having friends who share their viewpoints will be advantageous and can lead to several win-win scenarios. Rich individuals always find themselves in enduring relationships because they share mutual respect, trust, and a set of core principles. They assist one another in achieving their objectives without anticipating anything in return because they are aware that assistance will eventually be returned in some way. And there you have it, folks! If you enjoyed learning about the world of finance through this video, please hit the subscribe button and leave us a comment down below. Don't forget to also give us a thumbs up so we know how we're doing. I hope you guys learned a lot, and I will see you on the next video.